right, friends, this is Dave at Dave's Raised Bed Garden. I just wanted to take a minute just to tell you, I just did a video. I released a video about the shade cloth, what it does and what it helps, especially with the plants that, you know, the cool weather plants or even your summer plants if the temperatures get way too warm. Example is like your warm weather. Your tomato plants do not like it when it's really hot. So that if it gets in the high 90s, you want to check your plants to be able to find out which ones don't tolerate it, because even at that, these plants need to have shade too. Direct sun is good for them when they're talking about full sun, but also they don't like that heat if it gets too hot. So shade cloth allows the sun rays to get to it, but it's a less enhanced, and what it does is that it's actually protecting the plant from the heat. I'm actually going to show a photo that I'm going to put in here. I just did it with my my cloth. What I did is I did the temperature. So I did a temperature on a regular bed, and then I also did a temperature with the shade cloth. And we're talking almost an 8 to 10 degree fluctuate as far as close to that, the difference even with the 40% shade cloth that I have. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So the temperature out here, this is a bed that does not have the shade cloth. I'm going to go in really tight, kind of see what I'm looking at. If you look at that temperature, you would say it's almost at the 70, because each mark after the 60 is a 2 degree. So we're almost at or right at 70. I'll show you the difference in the temperature. This is the shade cloth, and right now we're about 64 degrees is what we are. So you can tell there is a slight difference, but I've been messing with this. But this is a shade cloth that's only 40%. So it's actually going down a little bit too the longer it sits. So overall, I mean, it is effective. You can tell. You'll be able to show this, and I will add the picture that I actually took. And overall, I have only left that thermometer that I have. That is what we call a compost. When you want the temperature, it's a longer one, and it's based on when I want to check my compost pile. But it's more, you know, it's really close within the temperature where it's exactly to the point. What I'm saying is that with these two beds, you can even tell even a 6 to 8 degree temperature change. I wanted to show you what the shade cloth does for you. This is a 40% shade cloth. You can get grades of even higher that gives you even more shade. It is getting the sun, but it's protecting it. As you can tell with the temperature that I showed you, it does make it a few degrees cooler. So that actually helps that plant, especially the cool weather plant. I hope this is a tip you can use. Until next time, this is Dave at Dave's Raised Bed Garden. Keep planting, keep growing. God bless you, and take care.